Hello friends, welcome to Awdhesh Academy. Friends, we know that integrity is one of the foundational value of civil servants. As a matter of fact, integrity is so important that even the title of the GS paper 4, that is Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude, includes the word integrity. So on this particular topic, issue, a question was asked in 2021 and we are going to discuss that question. The question was, integrity is a value that empowers the human beings. Justify with suitable illustrations. Now, this is a very, very interesting question that when we are following integrity, we get power. Any human being who is an honest person, who is following integrity, that person is more powerful than the person who is not following integrity. So that is basically the essence of that, and we have to give it with some explanation, some examples as to how this particular statement is correct. Now let's write the answer of this question. In the beginning, we can explain the concept of integrity by giving the proper definition of integrity. We know that integrity means the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. A person with integrity adheres to the moral principle even when they are not under public scrutiny. That means all the time we are following the moral principle. It's not that because of the fear of getting caught or getting punished, we are following integrity. But because it is our nature, we always follow the integrity. And this happens because a person who is having an integrity is integrated within and also integrated with outside world. What is the meaning of integrated within? A person who is integrated within means that we think, we speak and we act in harmony. That means what we think, what we speak and what we act is basically one and the same thing. They are harmony with each other. In the same way, when we are integrated with the outside world, we don't act in the selfish manner, but rather act in a way that brings good to ourselves and the world. Because for a person who is integrated with the outside world, the whole society is like a family. And therefore, he will not do anything wrong with the society because he considers himself to be part of that society. And that way, naturally, the right action is done. Now we have to give the explanation, we have to give the justification and also an illustration for this particular point. Friends, the people with integrity are reliable and all people trust them to do the right things in all the conditions. For example, if an officer who is having an integrity, if he takes a decision, his superiors, subordinates and citizens trust his actions and give him the full support, and that basically leads to successful completion of the task. Now, if you are not having the integrity, if you are a dishonest person, then all the actions of the dishonest persons are looked at with suspicion, and that way they fail to get the broader support. Now, this is a very, very important point. If we trust somebody, we trust because that person is having an integrity. And when we trust somebody, we always offer the full support, and that way that person gets empowered because he is having not only his own power, but also the power of all the team members. And so he can accomplish any task. At the same time, if you are a dishonest person, then other people are looking at you by suspicion. And then if you have to deliver it, you can't work in a team and you can't deliver any great result. And that is how integrity empowers human beings due to the support and trust of all fellow human beings. And this way we can give the justification, we can explain as to how the integrity empowers human beings. Thank you very much.